Hi there, second grade. I'm super glad that you are here and I hope you are ready to start with this new session and also with this new week. Today we're going to start a new week and this week we are also going to be reviewing about the topics that we learned in Unit 1 and also Unit 2. And you are going to get ready for the exam. And there's nothing to worry about because it's going to be super easy, and if you pay attention to these videos and also the live classes, you won't have problems by doing the exam. So you need to pay attention to this, and also remember that this week we are not going to have activities for the notebook or for the workbook or the student's book. So we are going to do activities here and you need to answer to me by speaking, okay? So it means that esta semana no vamos a tener actividades en el cuaderno, en el libro, etc. Las actividades que vamos a estar haciendo aquí, yo voy a estar haciendo algunas preguntas, algunos ejercicios y voy a esperar, voy a darte un tiempo para que tú respondas a esas preguntas. Al final de ese tiempo, cuando tú hayas contestado, yo voy a dar la respuesta correcta y tú vas a checar si tu respuesta estuvo correcta o escuchar la corrección que yo voy a dar, ¿ok? So you need to pay attention to this because it's going to be super helpful for the exam, and some of these exercises are like the ones that come in the exam. So pay attention to this. First of all, we are going to start with a review about the topic that we learned the last week, and we learned some vocabulary about some parts of the body, and we're going to start by reviewing bone, okay? Repeat with me because you know this. Bone, very good. Muscle, muscle. Repeat with me. Hand, hand, very good. Foot, foot, very good. Let's say them one more time and repeat with me. Bone, muscle, hand, foot. Very good, well done. So now let's check the games. Remember that we learned some vocabulary about games like sports, like for example soccer, baseball, etc. But these games that we are going to review today are the games that you can find in a park, and some people have them at home. So let's repeat. Slide, scissors, bat, swing. One more time. Slide, scissors, bat, swing. One more time and the last one. Slide, scissors, bat, and swing. Very good. So now we are going to do a review about the prepositions of place that we learned in this unit 2. So we have 4 prepositions. If you remember, we have between, in front of, next to, and behind. I always show you pictures with boxes and animals, and today is not the exception. So right now I'm going to show you these pictures of boxes and also owls. So you may notice and pay attention to the owl. We are going to talk about the place that the owl is standing. So let's pay attention to this. The first picture says next to. So pay attention. The owl is next to, al lado, the box. Okay, pay attention. This little animal is an owl. The owl is next to the box. Okay, very good. Al lado. Second one, in front of. The owl is in front of the box. Enfrente de. The owl, repeat with me. The owl is in front of the box. Very good. Behind. Detrás. The owl is behind the box. Repeat with me. The owl is behind the box. Very good. Excellent. And the last one is between. In this case, you need to pay attention super carefully. You need to be super careful with this because between uses like two boxes, two scissors, etc. because one object is going to be between these two. Like in this example, the all is between the boxes, en medio de. So for that reason, you need to have, like in this example, two boxes. If the exercise says the girl is between the scissors, you need to have one scissor and the other scissor, and the girl is between the scissors. Okay, so that's plural. Okay, when you have a plural, that means that you are going to use between. That's the only one that you can use with plurals in this type of cases. Now we are going to do an activity, and it's going to be about the prepositions, of course. I'm going to show you some pictures, and you might tell me what kind of prepositions you would use. Like in this example, well, this is not an example, this is the first exercise. Remember that these exercises are going to be answered orally. Recuerda que estas actividades no se van a copiar, vas a contestarlas únicamente de manera hablada, de manera oral. So, I'm going to read the sentences and you might answer. You will have like 5 seconds or something like that, and you might say your answer. Okay? So, the bike is blank the slide. You might pay attention to the picture and you might tell me your answer. So, the correct answer, like if your answer was the bike is behind the slide, your answer is correct. Okay, so you need to pay attention always to the pictures. Okay, so this is super obvious. You need to pay attention because we are talking about the bike. Okay, the bike is behind the slide, and it's going to be easy. In fact, it's really easy, but if you don't pay attention, this won't be that easy. So look at the picture and then say your answer. So now number 2 says the box is blank the apple. The box is blank the apple. Pay attention to the picture and you need to tell me your answer. So, if your answer was the box is next to the apple, your answer was correct. So, you can also say the apple is next to the box because it's the same when one is like next to the other, and it's correct. So, that's easy because you don't have it in front of, you don't have it behind, you don't have 2 boxes or 2 apples to say the box is between 2 apples because you only have 1 apple, 1 box. Okay? Well done. So, right now we are talking about helmet. A helmet is that thing that you use in your head when you are using the skates, when you are riding your bike. Helmet, you might look at the picture and you have a helmet and also you have 2 scissors. The helmet is blank the scissors. If your answer was the helmet is between the scissors, your answer is correct, and that's perfect. So pay attention, like when you have that we are talking about plural. Remember that I told you that when you have plural, like for example we have scissors, that means that we have plural because we have 2 or maybe more. But in this case we are looking at the picture and we have 2 scissors. That means that we are going to use between because it's the only preposition of place that uses plural. So the helmet is between the scissors. Very good, you are doing an excellent job. And the next one says the skateboard is blank the bat. Pay attention to the pictures. This is the skateboard and this is the bat. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is the skateboard is next to the bat. Very good. One more. We have the last one, and it says the roller skates are blank the swing. You pay attention to this. We have the skates in here, and these are swings. So you might tell me your answer. If your answer was the roller skates are in front of the swing, you are correct. Okay, pay attention to this because we can see that the skates are nearer than the swings. So the roller skates are in front of the swings, and that's the correct answer. So that's it for today. You need to pay attention to the prepositions of place and you won't have any problems. Don't forget to review also about the games, like for example the seesaws, the roller skate, the skateboard, the bike, and what other, the swing, the slide, and that will be everything, and that will help you a lot. And also you need to practice your prepositions of place. That's it for today, and I'll see you the next time. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have another review, so please try not to miss it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!